If you can't play multiplayer in Palworld game and you get this error, it say a network error has occurred, multiplayer functionality is currently unavailable, and it shows an error here which is ConnectLoginNoEAS filled with EOS result this one. Now make sure to follow the instructions very carefully. And I can say most of the time, like 99%, it's not you. The issue is on the end. Their online services are currently experiencing a problem, which usually happens when the Palworld servers are down. If you go to their X or formerly Twitter page, you can see they just say here, important notice multiplayer connection issues. We are currently experiencing multiplayer connectivity issues in Palworld due to a network outage with an external service provider. This issue is affecting multiple titles, including ours. We have confirmed that this is not an issue on our end, and we are waiting for the provider to resolve the situation. We apologize for the inconvenience and appreciate your patience while the service is getting restored. So it's not just you, the issue is just on their end. You'll need to wait until the servers are restored. But while you wait, some people reported that these fixes just actually solve their problem. So if you go to multiple forums like the Palworld subreddit forum, you can see lots of people complaining regarding the same issue. And some people were able to resolve the issue by trying this. Try to restart your device and router and then try to relaunch the game again. If you're still facing again the same issue, just use a VPN that isn't on an American server. For example, I connected to Canada and I was able to authenticate and play. Now I'll provide the link on the description for the VPN that I use. I use NordVPN. If you guys want to sign up for exclusive offer and discounts, I'll provide the link on the description or the comment section there down below. Simply connect to any server. Now I connected to Canada and I was able to authenticate and play. Also, you can try to verify your game files on Steam. So you can just type here Steam, open Steam, go to a library here and look for the Palworld game. For example, let's say this is your game. Right click on the Palworld, go to properties, select installed files and try to verify integrity of your game files. And after verifying integrity of your game files, you'll find that the issue should just be resolved. But in most cases, it's not you. The issue is just on their end. Their online services are currently experiencing a problem, which usually happens when the Palworld servers are down. As you can see on their Twitter page for Palworld, they just announced the issue. In most cases, you'll need to wait until the servers are restored. While you wait, you can try these fixes and they can help you solve the problem sometime. So let me in the comment section if you also face the same problem. Thanks so much for watching this video and see you next time.